It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Terrain Elevation Edition. Starting with the front of the Terrain, the driver's door has power locks, power windows, an auto express window, power adjustable mirrors, the child lock button, and the power liftgate button. The left of the steering wheel has some interior light buttons and a park brake, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, cloth interior with that Kalahari stitching in the seats. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to use the arrows on the steering wheel to scroll through the dash. Up above, OnStar and some interior light buttons. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, our park reverse drive buttons, some USB ports and power plug-ins, no slip matting, heated front seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and off-road mode. At the front of the Terrain we have the blackened grille, LED headlamps, a 1.5-liter turbo engine under the hood, 19-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, rear tinted windows, blacked out Terrain and elevation badging down the side, black roof rails, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, the rear window wiper, and the power liftgate. We're going to use the key fob here. Push that button twice to pop open our liftgate. In the trunk, we've got plenty of cargo storage space, the levers to fold the second row seating down, a power plug-in, and a deep storage compartment down below. Next, we take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, that wood grain trim, door storage. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has 2 USB plug-ins and the rear fans. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can fold the rear seats down by simply pulling the lever located on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Terrain Elevation Edition today. Or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.